Hi everyone, I am Manoharan. In our last class, we have learned about outside micrometer, parts, graduations, reading, constructional features, inside micrometer, parts, purposes, precautions. I hope you all understand about. Today we are going to learn about related theory, depth micrometer and digital micrometer. In this topic, we are going to learn about name the parts of the depth micrometer, state the constructional features of the depth micrometer, read depth micrometer measurements, state the uses of digital micrometer, list the parts of digital micrometer, read the reading from display unit and thimble and barrel, brief the maintenance of digital micrometer. Let us start with parts of depth micrometer: cap, thimble, graduated sleeve, log, stock. Constructional features of a depth micrometer. The depth micrometer consists of a stock on which a graduated sleeve is fitted. The other end of the sleeve is threaded with a 0.5 mm pitch V thread. A thimble which is internally threaded with the same pitch and form mates with the threaded sleeve and slides over it. The other end of the thimble has an external step machined and threaded to accommodate a thimble cap. A set of extension rods is generally supplied. On each of them, the ranges of sizes that can be measured with that rod is engraved as 0 to 25, 25 to 50, 50 to 75, 75 to 100, 100 to 125, 125 to 150. These extension rods can be inserted inside the thimble and the sleeve. The extension rods have collar head which helps the rod to be held firmly. The measuring faces of the stock and the rods are hardened, tempered and ground. The measuring faces of the stock is perfectly machined flat. The extension rods may be removed and replaced according to the depth of the size to be measured. Graduations and least count. On the sleeve, a datum line is marked for a length of 25 mm. This is divided into 25 equal parts and graduated. Each line represents 1 millimeter. Each fifth line is drawn little longer and numbered. Each line representing 1 millimeter is further subdivided into 2 equal parts. Hence, each subdivision represents 0.5 mm. The graduations are marked in the reverse direction to that marked on an outside micrometer. The 0 graduation of the sleeve is on the top and the 25 mm graduation near the stock. The bevel edge of the thimble is also graduated. The circumference is equally divided into 50 equal parts and every fifth graduation is drawn little longer and numbered. The numbering in the reverse direction and increases from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 0. The advancement of the extension rod for one full turn of the thimble is 1 pitch, which is 0.5 mm. Therefore, the advancement of the extension rod for one division movement of the thimble will be equal to 0.5 divided by 50 is equal to 0.01 mm. This is the smallest measurement can be taken with this instrument, and so this is the accuracy of this instrument. Reading of depth micrometer shown in figure. Barrel reading 1 mm division, 8 into 1 mm is equal to 8 mm. Subdivision 0.5 mm division, 1 into 0.5 is equal to 0.5 mm. Thimble reading, thimble division into least count, 3 into 0.01 is equal to 0.03. Total reading is equal to 8.53 mm. In barrel reading, main division and subdivision have been hidden covered by thimble. Uses of depth micrometer. Depth micrometers are special micrometers used to measure the depth of the holes, the depth of the grooves and recesses, the height of shoulders or projections. Next topic we are going to learn about digital micrometer. Digital micrometer is one of the simplest and most widely used measuring equipment in any manufacturing industry. Its simplicity and versatile nature makes digital micrometer so popular. Different kinds of digital micrometers are available in the market. Uses of digital micrometer. The digital micrometer is a precision instrument used to measure outside diameter, width, length of the job, generally with an accuracy of 0.001 mm or 0.0001 inches. Features and parts of digital micrometer. LCD displays measuring data and makes direct readout with an accuracy of 0.001 mm. Origin setting mm bar inch conversion. Switch for absolute and incremental measurement. Carbide tipped measuring phases. Ratchet ensures invariable measurement and accurate repeatable reading. Accuracy of digital micrometers. Digital micrometers provide 10 times more precision and accuracy. 0.0005 inches or 0.001 mm. Resolution with 0.001 inches or 0.001 mm accuracy. Next topic, we are going to learn about reading of digital micrometers. The digital micrometers are provided with high precision reading with LCD display. The reading is 14.054 mm as shown in the figure. Reading also by reading the marks on the sleeve and the thimble. Usually the reading from the large LCD display for the digital micrometers because the digital reading is more accurate. The readings on the sleeve and the thimble is just for reference. Read the markings on the sleeve and the thimble. Firstly, read the point which the thimble stops at it right of the sleeve. It is 14 mm here because each line represents above center long line 1 mm, while the each line below the center line represent 0.5 mm. Secondly, read the markings on the thimble. It is between 5 and 6. So, you need to estimate the reading. It is 0.054 mm. Finally, add all the readings. 14 plus 0.054 mm is equal to 14.054 mm. So, the total reading is 14.054 mm. Last topic, we are going to learn about maintenance of digital micrometer. Never apply voltage on any part of the digital micrometer for fear of damaging the circuit. Example, engraving with electric pen. Press on off button to set the power for digital micrometer is idle and the battery to be removed which stands idle for a long time. As for the battery, abnormal display, digit flashing or even no display shows a flat battery. Thus, you should press the battery cover as the arrow directing, then replace with the new one. Please note that the positive side must face out. If the battery bought from the market does not work well, the power may wear down because of long term storage and automatic battery discharge and etc. Please do not hesitate to contact supplier. Flashing display shows dead battery. If this is the case, please replace the battery at once. No display shows poor contact of battery or short circuit of both poles of battery. In case water enters into the battery cover, open the battery cover immediately and blow the inside the battery cover at a temperature not more than 40 degree till it gets dry. I hope now you all have the clear understanding of the name the parts of the depth micrometer, state the constructional features of the depth micrometer, read depth micrometer measurements, state the uses of digital micrometers, List the parts of the digital micrometers. Read the reading from display unit and thimble and barrel. Brief the maintenance of the digital micrometers. Thank you for watching this video. See you all in our next class. Have a good day.